Sa ating mga mahal na senior high school na estudyante, nais ko lamang kayong i-welcome sa ating pong panibagong subject ngayong panibagong semester, which is the second semester, yung Introduction to World Religions and Belief System. And by the way, I am your teacher in this subject, Teacher Jesse Elsaga Israel. Now, before we proceed with any further discussion about the topic that we have, may I just ask you, what is religion? When you hear the word religion, what does it mean to you? Or what is your view on the concept of religion? Okay, so while you are watching this video, you may comment your perspective about the question I just gave you. Okay, so our textbook focuses on the world religions and belief system, and it's actually composed of 5 chapters, and each chapter has at least 3 or 4 lessons. But chapter 1, which is all about world religions in focus, has only 3 lessons, and lesson 1 is all about understanding the nature of religion. Now, let's discuss first about chapter 1, the first part of the lesson. Chapter 1 deals with the world religions in focus. Why is there a need to study religion? Religion has been in existence since the earliest time of humankind. Wherever humankind inhabits, religion too exists. Presently, we are all witness as to how religion continues to play crucial roles in world politics in the 21st century, as can be seen from the various political conflicts that have been roots in religious differences. Now, this particular chapter will introduce you to various concepts related to religion, expound on the origin of religion, and evaluate the many roles played by religion in people's everyday lives. In all parts of the world, religious ideas have helped inflame animosity and discord that shape conflicts and give rise to oppression and tyranny. Conversely, religious traditions have also created a strong backbone that helped shape the importance of peace, justice, equality, toleration, and brotherhood. Now, let's skip to lesson 1. Lesson 1 is all about understanding the nature of religion. What does it mean to be religious and spiritual? Why is religion linked to humankind's quest to search for the real meaning of life and death? As we all know, when one prays, he or she actively seeks an affinity to divine beings or supernatural entities that are beyond the purely natural world. Okay, as you can see, I have um, inserted a picture of faces with the signs of the religions on its head. Yeah, if you can see, yeah, it is a clear depiction of an act of prayer. Okay, so nakita nyo that yung picture inserted is praying. Majority of world religions follow a set of prayers in the form of chants, the mantras, or creed. Diba? You as Catholics, you also have your own prayers. Diba? You pray the Ama Namin. You pray the Apostle Creed, or in Bicol, tinatawag natin yung Minatubod. And you also pray Hail Mary, Glory be to the Father, diba? Yan. You have these prayers. And I just want to share this story about, not a story, kasi way back 2014 when I was teaching in Imus, yung co-teacher ko was a yogist. Yogist po siya. So, yung God niya is actually a goddess, babae. And when she prays, para siyang para siyang bubuyog na murmur, which we never understood. So, parang sa amin, parang ang weird. But, that is how sila nagpipray. Okay? Through chants. At ang haba ng kanyang beads. If Catholics have the rosary, meron siyang beads na I think there are 100 beads that she needed to pray at least 8 times a day. Parang ganon. Okay? So whether you pray or not, you may have witnessed the influential roles being played by religions all over the world. Okay? So I hope nakikita nyo yung influence ng religion. Regardless if you are praying or not. Understanding the nature of religion enlightens learners about the uncommon grounds that bind believers into examining the questions of life and death and why or how persons yearn for spiritual inspirations. Recognizing the inherent characteristics of religion provides the opportunity to deeply grasp the many beliefs and practices that mold humankind's spiritual needs. Okay, so the next figure is a conceptual map of the different kinds of belief system. Okay, the different kinds of belief system. Okay, we have here monistic, monotheistic, polytheistic, agnostic, and the atheistic. Now, understanding beliefs and worldviews. Every individual sees and interprets the world quite differently from one another. Diba? So, meron tayong kanya-kanyang pananaw. Meron tayong kanya-kanyang pag-interpret about the world. This overall perspective is also termed worldview. Okay. Yun daw yung tawag doon. Sa perspective na yun, paniniwala natin which is distinct from one another. Worldview. Also termed as worldview, which, eto yung meaning niya, is a collection of beliefs about life and the universe being held by people. Yung worldview ay nangangahulugang collection of beliefs. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lamang isa. Set po siya, marami. Collection of beliefs, set of beliefs, maraming paniniwala patungkol sa buhay. Set of beliefs, collection of beliefs about life and the universe. Kasama yung sanlibutan being held by people. Pinangahawakan natin. Okay? Yung mga paniniwala natin, mga paniniwalang pinanghahawakan ng tao patungkol sa buhay at patungkol sa sanlibutan. So that is what we call worldview. For a certain individual, social environment and upbringing are critical in the development of a religious life. All these factors have an effect on how people organize their beliefs and ideas while eventually creating a comprehensive narrative through which they look at the world and interrelate with it. Belief in God or gods is found in almost all religions. So, hindi naman binanggit dito na found in all religion. Kasi meron din namang paniniwala na walang Diyos. Okay, so hindi lahat ng paniniwala ay may Diyos. Kaya sinasabi dito that yung paniniwala natin sa Diyos or sa mga Diyos ay matatagpuan sa halos lahat ng relihiyon. There is a good reason to presuppose, okay, to presuppose that religion had existed during prehistoric times and this has continued to the modern day. Human life may have produced hundreds of religions and belief systems. Diba? So, maaaring yung tao nakagawa ng daang-daang paniniwala. Okay. There could be more unknown. So, mas marahil maraming paniniwala ang hindi na natin alam sa ngayon than known. Okay? So, baka mas marami pa nga yung mga paniniwala nila na hindi na natin alam kaysa sa mga paniniwalang alam natin. Sa buong mundo, since recorded history covers only several thousand years of human existence. So what about those na hindi recorded? So ano kayang uri ng paniniwala meron sila? 'Di ba? So yung mga yon na hindi na record sa history, hindi na natin alam. 'Di ba? Hindi naman tayo wala naman tayong time machine para balikan yung mga bagay na yun na hindi nasusulat sa kasaysayan. Okay? So, marahil mas marami pa yung mga paniniwalang hindi natin nalalaman kaysa sa mga paniniwalang kasalukuyan nating nalalaman. Likewise, many may have lived and died within just a short period of time. Okay, yung mga paniniwala na yon, maaring nag-exist lang sila ng ganun lang kaikli. Okay, so hindi masyadong na-establish, hindi katulad ng mga religions na hanggang ngayon. Okay, na hanggang ngayon ay existing pa. Okay? So, yung next slide natin deals with the kinds of belief system. Okay? Minention ko to kanina. We have monism. Sabi dito, monism believes that there is no real distinction between God and the universe. While yung polytheism is the belief and worship of many gods. Monotheism is the doctrine or belief in one supreme God. Atheism is disbelief in or denial of the existence of a personal God, and the agnosticism is God cannot be known. So, ito yung 5 na uri ng belief system. Okay, or worldviews na meron tayo. Now, let's discuss this one by one. Theism, often used as a synonym to monotheism. Okay, yung word na theism ay madalas din ginagamit natin to refer to monotheism, which is defined as a belief in the existence of one God, viewed as the creative source of the human race and the world who transcends, yet is immanent in the world. Okay? Yung monotheism or yung theism ay paniniwala sa iisang Diyos lamang. Ito yung paniniwala na isa lamang ang pinagmulan ng lahat. Okay? Merong isang Diyos lang ang may lalang ng lahat. Okay, so that is monotheism. Mono means one, theism is belief. Okay. Monotheistic religions claim that there is only one God who could have designed and created the universe or may have directed all events that led to the creation of everything. Okay? So, ito in-explain dito ng mas detailed kung ano nga yung monotheistic view. Sabi dito, yung mga monotheistic religions ay nagkiklaim. Sinasabi nila that there is only one God who could have designed and created the universe. Okay? Na may lalang ng mundo and may have directed, nag-utos, nagsabi ng lahat ng bagay na yan at humantong sa creation ng lahat. Okay? There is one supreme God who is both personal and moral and who seeks a total and unqualified response from humans. Okay? So, parang, eto, may example. Modern-day examples of monotheistic religions include Judaism. Yung Judaism, nag-exist po siya sa Old Testament. Yes, hanggang ngayon, meron pa siya. And this is the religion of most of the Israelites. Okay? Then, we have Christianity as another example of monotheistic religion and Islam. Okay? So sa Islam, they have Allah. Yun lang ang Diyos nila. Sa Christianity, we have Jesus. Yun lang ang Diyos natin. And sa Judaism, they believe that Yahweh is God. The only God. Okay. On the other hand, polytheistic religions that are common among early people recognize many principal gods among whom no one is supreme. So these include the ancient religions of Egypt. Halimbawa daw ng polytheistic religion is the religions of Egypt, Greece, and Rome, wherein people worship a multitude of personal gods. Diba we have Ares, we have Zeus, we have Poseidon, we have Venus, we have Neptune. Ang dami nila. So, ibig sabihin, yung polytheistic religion is a religion that believes in more than one God. Poly means many. Okay? Poly means many. Maraming pinaniniwalaang Diyos. Meanwhile, monism asserts that there is no genuine distinction between God and the universe. Two implications arise from this belief. Firstly, it contends that God is dwelling in the universe as part of it. Naninirahan daw yung Diyos sa universe bilang bahagi ng universe. And secondly, the universe does not exist at all as a reality, but only as a manifestation of God. Okay, so that is the monism. Walang genuine distinction between God and the universe. And furthermore, atheists deny the existence of God. Ito yung mga tao na hindi naniniwala na may Diyos. Kahit anong gawin mo, they do not believe that there is God. You cannot convince that person to believe in God because he believes in no God. That is atheism. And agnostics deny the possibility for man to acquire knowledge of the existence of God. Di ba kanina kung natatandaan nyo, yung agnosticism, God cannot be known. Okay? So, they deny the possibility for man to acquire knowledge of the existence of God. So, it's all for today. And the further definition and discussion about the nature of religion will be in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. And kung may natutunan kayo, i-comment nyo. And God bless you. Happy learning. Bye-bye.